Hello viewers, and welcome to a new STM32World video. This will just be a short video introducing an idea I had. Now, I had a lot of comments on my YouTube videos saying something along the line of, why don't you actually make a project with multiple parts trying to make them fit together? Rather than just short videos introducing one short concept. Now, I created a lot of these tutorial videos that are extremely specific, how to blink a LED, how to debug, how to use timers, etc., etc., etc. But it is true that I have not really done anything except demonstrating a little corner of something. Now, in one of the videos released, I haven't published it yet, but it will be published by the time this video go up. I am actually using the discovery board, which, as you know, I don't like very much, but I am using the I2S audio deck that is on this board. Okay, you can't see it because of me, but it is actually this one down here. I think there is an audio deck called CS43L22 on these boards, and okay, no, you can't see it there, but yeah, okay, it's here. And it's true. So basically, my idea was to actually try to create a fully functional audio player or music player. I will not be using the discovery board because I seriously dislike that discovery board, but I'll be using my own STM32World MCU board, and I will use one of these DAC modules, which are readily available from I'm sure you can get them on Amazon, but if you go to AliExpress, so just search for PCM5102A, and there are a lot of these, and they are somewhere between $5 and $10 a pop, depending on where you get it from, and they are quite good quality. The PCM 5102 was designed by Texas Instruments, and as everything Texas Instruments is doing, they tend to do it right. So it's a very, very high quality. It can go sample rates. I can't even remember, 300 something megahertz you can run on these. But for normal audio ranges, they are absolutely excellent quality. So I started a page on my wiki with this audio player, and I am going to make a series of videos how to build an audio player. And it's quite obvious that it consists of actually sending audio out to this DAC using I2S and of course DMA. But there will also be a section of actually reading files from an SD card and pass the WOW header. That is probably, so there's probably going to be one video for the audio out, one video for parsing these headers and reading the audio files, and maybe another video on how to actually send that data out to the DAC and how to put them all together. I am considering maybe once this is going, it would lead naturally to another video where we actually try to put a display on this, because there is information in the header of WOW files. You can see what it actually contains, so it would be fun to display this on some sort of display, or maybe make a nice graphic showing a visualization of the audio. I don't know. I'll see where it goes, and I'll read your comments, and that might inspire me to do something else. I could also put a keyboard on it so you can actually operate it proper. I don't know where it is going at this moment. Another thing that would be interesting would be to try to read MP3 files as well as WAV files. WAV files have the benefit that the data it contains is actually the same format. It's called PCM files, which is just discrete values, and this format that is in the WAV file is the same format as I2S uses. So it is basically just take the data. WAV files is just take the data from the file and wing them out on the I2S device, and that's it. MP3 is a little more tricky because you need to decode the MP3 files first. So anyway, that is the idea, and this is just an introduction of what is coming up. As you saw in the intro, I actually have made this kind of working already, roughly. Can also move to the next file. It is a silly little speaker I have there, but it maybe I'll hook it up to the audio input on my desktop so you can get a better quality. Right now it's just picking it up with my microphone. So anyway, it is actually quite fun to play with. I have already made a couple of projects, which is of course in the STM32 fun video, so you can take a sneak peek as what is coming up in the videos when I get around to actually publish them. So that's about it for this short video. If you wanna watch those videos with the audio player, please like and subscribe. It is very motivating, and please make comments on what you think of the idea and whether you want more of this kind of projects. And if you have any ideas to the project, either post it below or join our Discord server and ask there. I'm always listening to what you're saying. As usual, have a wonderful rest of the day.